You don't need 10 supplements. This one Buddha bowl gives you more nutrition than most people get in an entire day. 35 grams of protein, 18 grams of fiber, and less than 450 calories. This is one bowl with complete proteins, fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fat. Everything your body needs in one single meal. Quinoa is the base, and unlike rice, it's a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. All the ingredients in this work together. So if you're eating less, still feeling bloated, stuck, and tired, try this. It is what an intentional eating looks like.